Right, one more thing. We're not done yet. One more thing.
No, not the
Where's
sharp
my
thing.
spray?
Don't see the sharp thing. No, not the sharp thing. No, not the sharp thing.
You scared
No.
of this? Hey, good morning everyone. Today is Saturday. And welcome back to our channel. If you guys notice, yes, something here. It's very long already. 6 weeks
6 weeks. That's
that we
6
don't
months.
visit the barber shop or the salon to fix ourselves. I mean the hair, and yeah, look at that. So today we'll try to do it our own way. I'm going to cut the hair of this boy. Yeah, he'll be the victim of my
Pogi boy. Hi, Pogi
own,
boy. You Pogi. You're handsome.
Is my hair really that long?
creation.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut his hair here in our house.
bata.
We're gonna do that right now. I'm going to show you what we need. Okay, we need this one, of course, the scissor, and maybe guys I'll show you just using these two tools, because we know that not everybody have electric trimmer like this, but I'm not gonna use this one. I'll just use the scissor and the comb. Yeah. Just to show them how to do it, so they will learn how to do it for themselves, for their family, I mean. And are you ready? So we're going to do it now. All right, are you ready? Another thing that we need is we need this one. We need to we need the hairspray, just water, just to make the hair wet.
Just in case
Okay.
I need to use this one.
Okay, ready? We're gonna start now. Get wet first. Get wet. Get wet. Do you trust me?
Yeah, of course.
Do you think I can do this?
Yeah. You've been cutting
Because
my
you know
hair since I
our-
was 1 year old.
You know the salon that we went the last time.
Yeah, they closed down, right?
Yeah, they're closed right now, and what I know, the barber over there is already went home to the Philippines. Yeah, for good, and he's not coming back. So we have to do it our own. You need to know how to handle the scissor. You know, if somebody know how to cut the hair, if he know how to like do like this in the
You
scissor.
have to cut?
If they don't, then they don't know. Alright. You don't need cover. Huh? Oops. Careful. Yeah. We need this one also.
That's like a seatbelt when you're about to drive.
Yeah. Sure. Meron bang sipit? Hindi this boy.
Wait, you're gonna cut my hair? You're gonna
Why,
cut
you
my
don't know?
hair?
Okay. I hope the scissor is sharp. Okay, first this part. Start on the side. Alright. Oh, it's so sharp though. kind of haircut you want?
Let's go with all the sides cut off and the back bald. Ow, 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 ow.
Yeah, that's the problem with this scissor. It's not so sharp. Yeah. Real. But right now, since they're close, oh man, no choice. But you have to go back with me. Let's do it our own. And you know what? How much money we're gonna save if we do this ourselves?
$0?
If we do it once a month, like haircut once a month outside, we spend like around 13 to $15 per month. So multiply that into 12. So it's like around 100.
20.
Hey, if only $10. If like $15, then around 180. Gonna save $180 a year if we do it our own. The light is not that bright. Oops, sorry. I no longer like your haircut, boy. If not, then problem then. She's gonna complain. Okay. Wait on this one. Okay. Okay. Careful not to cut the air. And guys, another thing. You know how long my hair is? If we get a 50 likes, I'm going to show you on how to cut my own hair using the scissor. So, you know, it's easy if you use the trimmer, but if you use this one, it's kind of hard. But I'll show you once we get a 50 likes on this video. Deal?
Okay.
Yeah, if we get 50 likes, I'll cut my own hair using a scissor.
Oh, you want me to do it?
That could be a another option.
Remember
To
that?
trust this 10-year-old boy to cut my hair. Wow.
Remember
You guys
that?
think?
Remember that video we watched? The kid cutting everyone hair.
So you can do that,
Yeah.
but that one is not using a scissor. Okay, almost done on the side. Just have to cut some on top, make it shorter. Oh my God! Look at that! Holy cow! What's going on? It's just one side.
What? I want to see.
Malapit mo nga yung camera. Itutok mo na dito. Yeah. Almost done on this side. Just making it straight. Making sure that it's straight. Otherwise, this boy will gonna complain.
Wala. Init. Yun.
Okay. So, almost done on that side. Let's go on the other side. Let's make your face like this. Ay, sorry. That's the problem if your scissor is not that sharp. But then again, see guys, what you need is scissor, the comb, the piece of water, and
A blanket.
a blanket. Actually, you don't need this.
But if you don't want your clothes to get dirty, then
Look at me ni, ang malaki. Dukugan kayo. Ano ni?
this.
Alright guys, almost there, almost there. I'll just show you a little closer. See that? Very professional. Right. See the back.
You know?
Can you heads down? Yeah. Very nice.
You go.
Very nice. Alright, one more thing. We're not done yet. One more thing.
No, not the
Where's
sharp
my
thing.
spoon?
Don't see the sharp thing. No, not the sharp thing. No, not the sharp thing.
You scared of this?
Oh,
Guys, this is just an option.
May pa nga kasi ano pa ang tubig. Water.
I wanna
No
finish
more?
this already.
What? I don't have blade.
Who took out the blade?
Guys, this is just an option. You can just leave it like this, or you can shave it. But just to make it nice, I'll do the shaver. Sit it down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Let me do that. Sit down. This is the final touch. To make it wet again, so that it's not gonna make it hurt. You don't get hurt. Okay? Remove. This is just the shaver, and this one is safe.
Why do we even use like those blade stuff? What do they even do?
Which one?
What are those blade stuff used for?
Just to make it nice. Make it nice.
Yeah.
Almost.
My body cannot stand this chair. If you want me to stay forever in a chair, fine, I'll stay forever in a chair. Done?
Done na. Okay, go to shower na.
Okay. So
Put the cover there.
did you check the mirror?
Yep.
So how was it?
Good.
You like it? Gonna get the better angle. Yeah, see that?
A few moments later.
Okay guys, we're done with the shower. I showered this boy over here. Take a look at that. How it looks like. Alright, so here's the after. If we got 50 likes on this one, then I'm going to cut my own hair.
Or 100 likes.
Or 100 likes, I'll let this boy cut my hair. Yeah, very nice. Alright, so that's it for now. See you again next video, and bye bye.